It's rained here constant. Yeah, it looks like we're about to get more rain. It's just bizarre that they're getting this much rain. Uh-oh, it's raining. We were here 2 weeks. Rained 90% of the time.
Big bad storm is rolling in, by the thunder and the wind ain't nothing ever.
Well, I'm walking down to the creek just to see how deep it is. It's rained here constantly for the last week, and now the park's saying that the water is really deep. And it's filled this lake up. It said the lake rose 5 feet just last night. So, and because the lake and the creek are so full, somehow it's gotten sand in the water. So the campground had to shut all their water off. And they said they couldn't get a tank in until probably Friday, which I think is unacceptable. They should have a backup water plan for all these campers. I wrote them a serious letter, used ChatGPT to help it professional. Told them that when I was an administrator, I always had emergency plans in place. And for this to happen yesterday, which was Monday, and they're saying they're not going to have a tank of water in here till Friday. That's totally unacceptable. So I'll be giving this park a bad review, which is sad. And going down now to see what this water looks like. Ooh, yeah, it's rushing. Yeah, it looks like we're about to get more rain. Hoping I don't get wet on my little hike here. Now this creek is usually a lot smaller and slower than this. Well, this trail's muddy, and the only way to get around it would be to walk up through the grass there, and I don't have on the right kind of shoes. Yeah, I can't go this way. It's muddy. You can see the water over there going like crazy. It's coming up there right on the trail. I'll try a different route. There's a little pond down here. Had a duck nest in the middle. I feel sorry for that duck. I'm gonna go down here and check it out. Sue and I walked down here the other day. It's just bizarre that they're getting this much rain here. I don't know which way to go, because this way goes down by the creek. I'm liable to get back into more water. Well, I got down to the creek this way, but I can't get over there because of the mud. But there in the middle is the duck on its nest. Fortunately, the overflow on this part of the creek is good enough that the water won't go any higher. It didn't hurt the duck. Didn't hurt the duck on its nest. So the water is mostly flowing over on the other side of that levee there. On my walk, I found a feather. It's a big one. I don't know what kind of feather it is. I'm sure the cats will enjoy smelling it. I take it back home. Uh-oh. It's raining on my hike. I was afraid of that. Fortunately, I was lucky and the rain cloud moved away. So there's just a light sprinkle. I really didn't get wet. So tomorrow we head out of Bear Creek. We're going to head up to the Boulder Fairgrounds, which is actually in Longmont, Colorado. And it's only $25 a night. You can only stay there 2 weeks any given year. So that way they don't have any full-timers living there at the fairgrounds. Not like the one up in Traverse City where you could stay there all summer if you wanted, except during fair season. Also, it's first come, first serve, which is making us a little nervous because we're afraid we'll drive up there. It's about an hour away. Get there and not have a spot. So we're going to get up a little early, head that way. So, gotta watch for bikers. And then we're gonna stay there for a couple weeks until it's time to go over to Lyons, Colorado. So come along on our travels. Okay, we're heading up the mountains. We're gonna go over to Loveland Pass, and then we're gonna drive over to Breckenridge. Got Sam and Susie with us, and we're just heading up this road here outside of Morrison. Have breakfast, a nice little place. It's kind of cloudy, so hopefully the weather will clear out here. We've had rain for the last 2 days. So we'll keep you updated as we go along the trip.
I'm never giving up on you. I'm never giving up on you. This time I know we're really through.
notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the one you
No, this is like Estes Park, but lots of monkeys.
Yeah, North Bend Star. Coming up on a trailhead called the North Fork of the Middle Fork of the South Platte River.
Here, 10,000 feet. The highest incorporated municipality in the United States.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone. All those little moments, all those little moments.
Straight cruising.
heading out of Bear Creek. We were here 2 weeks. Rained 90% of the time. And then they shut the water off, which was no fun. So now we're heading up to Longmont to the Boulder County Fairgrounds. And the reason we chose that is because it's only $25 a night for electric and water. And we're going to stay there 2 weeks. It's about an hour from the boys, but we only see them on weekends, so I call them boys, they're men now. And and then let's see. I was going to say something.
Turn left.
They had us going 2-lane roads getting up there to Longmont, but we don't want to do that. We're going to go on the freeway. It's about 5 minutes longer, but it's a lot easier with this big thing. Big Bertha. Would you? No, what'd we call her? We called her Starla.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
Yeah. That doesn't work. Remember, it's got to be like 2 to 3 feet away.
Headed for a bruising, watching out for number 1. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going,
Whoa,
brightness
that would have been a bump.
looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now.
Your destination's on the right.
You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now.
Well, we made it safely. And the good thing is, we got one of the first 2 spots. So when we pull in, these are better for pull-throughs. So we're all set. Now I gotta go find the pay station and pay. We got restrooms for paid campers only. Now I'm trying to find out where the paid campers pay to camp. Here it is. And here we go. And hopefully the credit card works. Exact cash only, no credit cards. This machine does not give change. Uh-oh. Okay.